considering that my last two videos blew up, and both of them were animal related, I want to show you this little guy. This little goober is Mango. He's a Senegal parrot, and he is the cutest little thing. But he's also a bit feisty, eh? Let's see if I can pet him. Yeah, he's a bit feisty. But he does know some basic commands. The most basic one he learned when he... This wasn't planned. This was not planned.
That's pretty unusual. That's cool.
So, this was on. I was planning for him to do a step up, which is a command that he learned, but it appears that he's doing this instead. But you know what? I honestly think that's funnier. Comment and like the video if you want to see some more Mango, 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 Mango.